In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your transfer case shift motor on your Chevy Colorado. It's located underneath the vehicle, right after your transmission on your transfer case. Make sure the vehicle's not in four-wheel drive before beginning. We're going to remove our connector. You're going to pull out this lock using a flathead screwdriver. Push in on that tab. And remove. Make sure it's clean and set it aside. Now we're going to remove our vent hose here. I'm going to use some pliers and free that up. And then you can pull it off. Just going to put these up top. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to take out this bolt, this one, and this one up top. And now we're going to remove it. Before installing the new part, you're going to take out your O-ring, make sure it's clean, wipe it down, and you're just going to lubricate it. We're using some silicone paste. You can use transfer case oil if you have some. Put that back in, make sure it's clean. And now we're going to install. So again, make sure everything's all lined up for that keyway. And it should only fit one way. So once it's lined up, you're going to push it in. Should slide past that O-ring eventually. And once it's somewhat flush and it doesn't go anymore, you're going to start your bolts. Now that these are snug, we're going to torque them to 15 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put our vent line on. And our connector. Make sure you hear that click and then lock it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.